see how this is up just a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark these holes, then I'm going to put straps on them probably and pull them down. What I may do is just strap down each corner and make sure each corner is down tight and pin each corner and the braces too. Then maybe set all the trusses and see if this will settle in, and at that point maybe I'll pin it. I'm not sure yet, but in any event, we need to get everything marked off here. One peg in the center of each tenon. Well, hey everyone, it's the end of another beautiful fall day today. We now have a freestanding timber frame, so we no longer need the temporary diagonal braces to keep it square and standing so it doesn't rack. All the braces are in, everything is pinned, all the pegs are in, and we've got all the anchors anchored down to the foundation, so it is now a freestanding timber frame, and this is how she's going to be for the next 100 years. I'm having a little setback on the material for the loft floor, so I think we'll just move on to the trusses, and I'll put some temporary flooring up there to walk on so we can get the trusses on there a little easier. I think I'm going to try and round up some scaffolding, and we'll kind of just plug away on those babies. I've got, the stack doesn't look that great of those trusses, so I've got some in there I can use, some that are pretty straight, some that are unusable looks like, and I don't know. I've managed to figure out how to put these twisted timbers throughout this whole thing, so maybe I can figure out something for those trusses. It's just that those trusses need to sit in that, or the rafters, I keep calling them trusses, the rafters need to sit in that rafters foot, that bird's mouth, or that rafters foot pretty square, so I don't know, we'll see, but we'll figure that out. We'll be working on those at night. I kind of had to do all this stuff in the daytime because everything was above my lights. I tried checking them, as you saw in the video, double checking the timbers at night one night, and had a hard time seeing. Everything was above my lights, so, but now that's all done, so now we can come out here at night and work on those rafters. We're going to be working on those come snow or shine. Don't have any choice at this point, so hopefully we can get some good night footage of me doing that. We'll set those together, and we're going to bolt them together on the top with a big iron bolt, which I think will look pretty cool, and that's what we're going to do. So we'll keep plugging away with those things, and we'll see you guys next time.